Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, on your PC, open up the battle.net application on your device. When you open up the app, you will automatically be logged in if you have chosen the Keep Me Logged In button within your account. After being logged in, you will end up within the homepage right away. Now, if you wish to switch the account with which you are logged in to your Hearthstone game, then you will need to switch your account on battle.net. So click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on the logout button to log out from this account. After logging out, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Now you can either use your Google, Facebook, Apple, as well as your other gaming accounts, and you may also enter your email address or your gamer tag and your password. After typing in your email address as well as your password of this account into which you would like to switch, click on the login button and now you will be logged in to this new account and your account will be switched on battle.net. Once your account has been switched, you can open up the Hearthstone game and now the game will begin or continue from the point where you left off within this new account that you have switched into. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your accounts on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.